Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe at home and you are all are watching the videos which are uploaded by the teachers of the chemistry department. So, once again I welcome you all to this online lectures of TYBSc class. So, today's topic for discussion, that is topic for study, classification of chemical reactions in industry. In the previous lectures, already we are studying about the modern approach to a chemical industry, in which the basic points we are continuously discussing from the last 3 to 4 lectures. In that lectures, we have discussed about the different units of chemical industries. Okay. In the today's lecture, we are going to see the classification of chemical reactions used in industry. As we can say that the most general classification of chemical reactions in industry, they are based on types of phases of reactions involved. Means we can say here the chemical reactions in industry level, they are classified on the basis of phases of reactants which are involved in the reaction. Okay. Let me see how they are classified. Here generally, here I write chemical reactions. Can I write here simply? They are first the point, the classification of chemical reaction. Classification of chemical reactions in industry are classified on the basis of types of phases involved in the reaction. Now we know what is the types of phases means, whether it is in solid phase, liquid phase or a gaseous phase of the reactants, whether how the reactants are involved in a reactions, that on the basis of the phases of the reactants or reactions involved in a chemical reaction, from that basis we can classify it in a different ways. Generally we can see here, generally you note down it, generally the classification of chemical reactions, here we can see chemical reactions. Here I will draw a chart. From that chart we can easily understand the chemical reactions are classified. Here the chemical reactions, basically they are classified in a two different ways: homogeneous reactions and heterogeneous reactions. The first, homogeneous reactions. And second, B, heterogeneous reactions. Homogeneous reactions and heterogeneous reactions. Now, what is homogeneous reactions? Already we studied in the previous standards. What is homogeneous reactions? Homogeneous reactions in which all the reactants have the same phase, means single phase. All the reactants involved in that reactions are the same phase. For example, solid, all the reactants it will be the solid. Liquid, all will be the liquids. Gaseous, all will be the gaseous, means involving in a single phase. Reactions involved in a single phase. Can I write as here the reaction here the reaction involving in single phase. In a single phase means what? Same phase, whether it is solid, liquid or a gaseous. What? Any phase that will be in a single phase. All are in the one phase. Here what is a heterogeneous? Heterogeneous involved in a more than one phase. Reactions involving in different phase. Can I say as different phase? Different phase or more than one phase, or so can I say as more than one phase, different phase or more than one phase. So on the basis of this, so chemical reactions generally they are classified in the two categories. One is the homogeneous reaction and second is the heterogeneous reaction. What is the homogeneous reactions? Homogeneous reactions are the reaction which involves in a single phase, in a same phase, whether it will be the solid phase, liquid phase or a gaseous phase, any phase that will be in a single phase. All the reactants involved in the reaction that will be in a single phase. Here heterogeneous reactions are involved in a different phase, means more than one phase. One will be the solid, other will be the liquid, one will be the solid, other will be the gaseous. So likewise different phases will be involved in this heterogeneous type. So further, this homogeneous reaction, again further it is classified catalytic homogeneous reaction, that is catalytic reaction, and non-catalytic reaction. Very simple. Catalytic reactions and the non-catalytic reactions. Here the main category is homogeneous, heterogeneous, and further this homogeneous classified into catalytic reactions, non-catalytic reaction. Means generally it is homogeneous catalytic reaction, homogeneous non-catalytic reaction. What is the catalytic reaction? Say that you know very clearly. Here in this homogeneous reaction catalyst is used. Here in this homogeneous reaction catalyst is used. Again you have to remember that this is homogeneous reaction, means all the reactants are in the same phase with respect to the catalyst also. या कॅटॅलायटिक रिएक्शन मध्ये सुद्धा होमोजिनियस कॅटॅलायटिक रिएक्शन ज्यामध्ये आपण क्लासिफाय करतोय होमोजिनियस reactions further classified into catalytic reactions, non-catalytic reactions. Means what? Homogeneous reactions involved through catalytic, involved through non-catalytic. Means there is no any catalyst. Here we have to remember that catalyst is also in the same phase with respect to the reactants. In case of that is, then and only we can say that homogeneous catalytic reactions. Okay, you are getting my point. Here homogeneous reactions further classified catalytic reactions, non-catalytic reactions. Examples. Now what is the catalytic reactions? Catalytic reactions are the reactions performed by using the catalyst. Now you know the definition of catalyst. I will not go into the detail of what is catalyst, what is the phenomenon of catalysis, everything. That is catalyst which is used for the homogeneous reaction. Again further homogeneous catalytic reactions. Example, nitration. Here the reactions are performed. Sulfonation. Okay. Friedel-Crafts reaction, etc. are used under homogeneous catalytic reactions. Okay. Now second, homogeneous non-catalytic reaction. These are the homogeneous but no any catalyst is used. Example, combustion, pyrolysis. These are the certain examples used in the industry. Okay. The main category is homogeneous reactions, heterogeneous reaction. Further, these homogeneous reactions are classified into catalytic reactions, non-catalytic reactions. What is the catalytic reactions? Here the reactions are performed, homogeneous reactions are performed using the catalyst. That is homogeneous catalytic reactions. Examples, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reactions, etc. etc. And Non-catalytic reactions means homogeneous reactions are there, but there is no any catalyst is used. Likewise, combustion and the pyrolysis. This is the one side of the homogeneous reactions. Now let me see for heterogeneous reactions. Here, heterogeneous reaction means what? Heterogeneous reaction in which two different phases are used. Here we can say further they are classified in a three different classification. We can see here three different classification. The first is gas liquid phase. Gas liquid reactions means one phase is the gas, another is the liquid phase. Here further this gas liquid phase reaction, and second we can say here gas liquid reaction phase and liquid solid reaction, and third one gas solid reaction, and third one we can say here gas solid reactions. Gas solid reactions, like three different phases. Heterogeneous reactions are the reactions involving in a different phase, more than one phase, means maybe of some of the reactants gas phase, maybe of liquid phase, means both can be here the reactions can be performed, liquid and the solid reactions and the gas and the solid reaction. Further these all reactions are classified in a two different way, that is catalytic and the non-catalytic. Catalytic reaction and non-catalytic reaction. All reactions are classified likewise. Catalytic reactions, non-catalytic reaction. You are getting my point? Here each are classified further into catalytic reactions and non-catalytic reaction. See, heterogeneous reactions are classified. Heterogeneous reactions are nothing but involving different phases, more than one phase. As we know, phases are the three: solid, liquid and the gaseous. Here the combinations can be, here the reaction can be gas liquid reaction, here the liquid can be liquid solid reactions, here the reaction can be gas solid reactions. Further these two different phases further classified catalytic heterogeneous reaction, catalytic, that is a heterogeneous catalytic reaction, heterogeneous non-catalytic reaction which involving the gas liquid phase. Further heterogeneous liquid solid reactions, catalytic reactions, non-catalytic reaction. Further heterogeneous reactions involved in a gas solid phases, further they are catalytic reactions, they are non-catalytic reactions. Let me see one example. Here I will take only one example, then we clearly understood. Here in case of gas liquid reaction, catalytic reactions are oxidation. Example here I take oxidation, alkylation. Likewise in case of non-catalytic, they are absorption reaction. They are absorption, all types of absorption of solid, gas, and the liquid solid reactions. Here we can see Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Example Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Catalyst reactions, Ziegler-Natta catalyst reaction in case of the liquid solid, that is of catalytic. Non-catalytics, there is a ion exchange. Here ion exchange examples are there, we can see here ion exchange. In case of gas solid reactions, they are hydrogenation. Example hydrogenation, as we already studied. In case of non-catalytic of gas solid liquid, that is gas solid reactions, reduction of metals. Example reduction of metals. See, so these are the different classification of heterogeneous reactions. Here see, heterogeneous reactions are classified with the different phases: gas liquid reactions, liquid solid reactions, gas solid reactions. Further, all these different phases reactions classified into catalytic, non-catalytic. Here we can say gas liquid reaction, in which catalytic reaction, oxidation and the alkylation example. In which gas liquid phase, non-catalytic reaction, absorption of gases on solid phases, which are the example of gas absorption of gas in a liquid. For example, chlorine in water, chlorine in NaOH. NaOH is the liquid, chlorine is the gas, in which the chlorine gas absorbed by the NaOH solution, chlorine gas absorbed by the water solution. Second, liquid solid reactions. Liquid solid. What is the liquid solid? Catalytic reactions, Ziegler-Natta is the best example. Non-catalytic, ion exchange. Gas solid reactions. Gas solid reaction, already we studied the hydrogenation reaction. The solids which are reduced, or we can say with the help of catalyst, the hydrogenation of different reduction reactions. And non-catalytic reaction, reduction of metals we are observed in case of the heterogeneous, catalytic and the non-catalytic reaction. So basically we have to understand here now, very simple, the classification of chemical reaction in industrial level, they are classified in two main categories. Heterogeneous category, that is heterogeneous reactions, and homogeneous reactions and the heterogeneous reactions. Further, these homogeneous reactions are classified into catalytic reactions, non-catalytic reactions. In case of heterogeneous reactions, heterogeneous means two different phases. The phases can be gas liquid, the phases can be liquid solid, the phases can be gas solid. Further, these three different phases are classified into catalytic and the non-catalytic reactions. Okay, so you can follow the textbooks, you can follow some reference books. With that, you can clearly understand what I discussed today. Okay, here I will stop here. In the next lecture, very important lecture, that we go to discuss some more points of the modern approach to chemical industry. Okay, here I will stop here. In the next lecture, we will see some more points. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, thank you so much.